going to cook something really great for you guys. We are trying out the Copycat Chipotle Burrito Bowl with grilled chicken. Yes, indeed. It's going to be so delicious. And have you guys ever been to Chipotle where you're asking for a little more of this, a little more of that, and the people look at you like, no, you're just getting this in this bowl, and that's it, and that's all. Well, guys, I'm showing you how to make it in your own house where you don't have no one sampling out little crumbs of rice to you, and you can eat as much as you like, and your family can eat as much as you like. And we're going to do it real good tonight with this Chipotle Copycat Burrito Bowl. Let me show you guys all the ingredients that's needed to make this Copycat Chipotle Burrito Bowl. And first, we're going to start off with chicken broth, black beans, and if you eat pinto beans, you can use those as well. The chipotle peppers, golden corn, sriracha, salt, pepper, butter, cayenne pepper, garlic, paprika, cumin, guys, give it a nice taste, chili powder, bay leaves to go in your rice, guys, olive oil. Olive oil marinates it to make it taste great. Chicken, red onion, fresh garlic, pepper, tomato, lemon and lime, avocado, and butter. And all these ingredients is going to make the Copycat Chipotle Bowl delicious. First thing we have to do is to create the Chipotle sauce for our grilled chicken. So we have 1/4 of a red onion, 2 garlic cloves, and we're going to use salt, pepper, extra olive oil. And I will start off now by putting a tablespoon of olive oil, and I'm not cutting anything up today, guys. I'm going to use my Ninja food processor that's going to chop up all the vegetables for me to make this easy, okay? So let's start off with 1 tablespoon of the olive oil. Put it in the processor like that. Now the chipotle peppers, we want 1 tablespoon of the chipotle peppers. And I have to let the vegetables leave them last because we're going to chop them up. 1 tablespoon of black pepper. 1 tablespoon of sea salt. Now we're going to use the oregano, and you need 1 tablespoon of the oregano as well. Open this, but it's nice and open down. So we're going to put 1 tablespoon of that in here to make this sauce really good. And I should have took this out at the beginning, but hey, we got time. It's Friday night, and we're cooking up a storm in our home. Chili powder. 1 tablespoon. Cumin. And all these ingredients is going to be mixed up real good and blend up to make a good sauce for the Chipotle Copycat Bowl. Okay, guys. So now I'm going to put the top on. So Now we can add our vegetables. One second, guys. Here we go. Okay. And we're going to chop them. So we're going to turn on chop. There's the garlic. I might have to put this, 1 second, let me try the red onion. I didn't quite chop my garlic up the way I want, so. Oil in the mix, and just a little bit of the chipotle juice. And we don't want to get the peppers. We want to try to get the chipotle juice in here. Not the pepper so much, because we put 1 pepper in there already. This is what's going to make the sauce and make the meat tender. Okay, mix it in. Mix it in real good. Okay, guys, I'm going to take this and put it marinated on the chicken. The marinade is ready, and now we're going to pour it on the chicken and place it in the refrigerator for an hour. Look how good that is, guys. It smells so good already. It's not even cooked in the chicken yet. Take it all out. Mix it in. Mix it in real good so every piece of chicken can have the marinade on it. And this was 2 pounds of chicken breast strips. And you can use thighs if you like, but I like breast. Okay, guys, so now that it's mixed all in, put it in the refrigerator for an hour. I use a chicken broth. So I get the rice, get the beans done, corn, stir that up good. Let it come to a boil, and then we reduce our heat. Now we're going to add our chipotle peppers. Fast and simple, guys. Black beans, and you guys can cook yours, or you can get them out the can. So I'm adding the black beans, the golden corn, okay. little cilantro with the corn. Just a little. Some red onions. We're going to fry it up. I'll put some butter in it. A little black pepper. Just a dash, like that, like so. And a little bit of salt, guys. And what we're gonna do is mix that all together. Kind of fry our corn a little bit just to give it some flavor. Now we move over here to our veggies. And I added a little olive oil in our veggies. What I'm going to do is add just a little bit of pepper in it. Now, some people love the onions and the green peppers when they go to Chipotle. I know my husband, he loves it. So I'm going to season our vegetables up just a little bit with a little dash of salt. That's right. Add a little bit of pepper, guys. Love that pepper, honey. Cook down, and I added some olive oil to it. And really for the black beans, you don't have to really do much for the black beans. You know, mix them up. Let me cut the heat down for the rice. We don't want that to burn, so that's on medium. And what I would do with the beans is add just a little bit of the chipotle peppers. A little kick, just a little kick. Add it in there, stir it. This is gonna be so delicious, guys. Simple, easy. We're working with those bold, beautiful colors. Stir, check my corn, and don't forget to put a little bit of butter in that corn. Give that corn a good taste. Cilantro. Ooh, child. It looks delicious, guys. It looks delicious. Add a little pepper to the black beans. Just a little dash of salt to the black beans. I'm going to cut my rice on low. Then I want our rice to burn. Stirring your veggies. We don't want them to get too soggy. Look how beautiful those veggies are. Okay, guys, all the ingredients are cooked and ready, and now it's time for us to start grilling this chicken. And now I'm getting ready to start adding my chicken. I love using a George Foreman grill because it makes the chicken moist. Gives it great flavor, and I love that grill taste to it. We don't want to add too many pieces here. Let them cook down for a minute. Look how good and delicious they look. Look at all the flavors. Just delicious. And this should be done pretty quickly on this George Foreman grill. See how it's browned already? I'm telling you guys, this Chipotle bowl is going to be awesome. You guys have to fix this for your family. And it's a meal that my family love. My sons and my daughter, my husband, they love this Chipotle meal. So I'm just going to put the grill down just a little bit so we can get those lines and those good flavors to it. Just 1 second, guys. Okay, guys, I'm flipping the chicken to make sure it's ready, but it's so, chicken is falling apart. Oh, so delicious. So this is done, guys. So I'm going to take this off of the George Foreman grill. And I'm going to add some more chicken because this could be. Okay, guys, the grilled chicken is ready. Look how delicious it looks. Oh my gosh. Woo, honey. If you guys could just smell it through the phone. This is delicious, and I can't wait to fix that Chipotle bowl. So the next thing, we can't cut the meat. We have to let it rest for a minute. So after that, we will make our Chipotle bowls. And you guys, I will show you how delicious that Chipotle bowl looks. Okay, guys, the Chipotle bowl is ready. Look how delicious this looks. Please comment, tell me what you think, subscribe to my channel, and when you hit the notification button, please guys, sign on and check out all my great recipes. The Chipotle Copycat Burrito Bowl. Now I'm getting ready to taste it, guys. Oh, look at that guacamole. Everything is fresh and made, homemade from scratch, from Chef Stay. That's right. I love guacamole, homemade. Check it out, guys. Look at the rice. Cilantro rice, grilled chicken, the black beans. Okay, I want some of this rice right here. Oh my God. This is so good, guys. Oh my goodness. Let me check. Look at the chicken. So tender. All right, guys, don't forget to subscribe and try to fix your Chipotle bowl. It is so delicious, better than Chipotle. Take care, guys, and see you next time.